Hi guys, welcome to Every India, and guys, today I'm going to show you all something that's brand new. Actually, we bought a car. Wait, why it's blurred? Everywhere it's blurred. Wait a second. Oh, finally. Can you see this, guys? We bought this car before at least like 2 weeks or 3 weeks before. Actually, yesterday I shouted a lot because of I just won a game. I won a game actually in Free Fire, and I shouted like and my I can't speak properly. My neck is little bit paining, but I can't speak properly. Shit. Because yesterday I won a Free Fire game, and I just like a big like that, yes, like that, and everything became like this. No way, my neck. I don't know how to take this. That's why I drank some hot water. Yesterday it's paining like a shit, but now it's little bit okay. Then right now, guys, I'm gonna show the car, not interior. I mean car outside. I'll show you the interior after 20 hours. Wait a second. Wait a second, guys. 1 second. I forgot to do something. Guys, first of all, my shirt, my pant is not nice. In just 3 seconds, okay, I'll show you the magic. Okay, now I'm gonna keep this here. You guys see the magic? Okay, here now it's gonna come. It's not standing here. It will stand right here. Okay, in 3, actually my shirt and my pant will be changed in 3, 2, 1. Wait. Boom! Okay guys, I'm here in my outfit, and wait. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Wait, guys, I don't know what, but everything is blurred. Okay, fine. When I show my hand, it came to normal. It's not sunny actually, then why it's showing sunny? Siri, please give me some burger. Actually, Siri will not give a burger or something, but there's a dog there. Please don't be, yes, finally it's not there. And guys, see this? Okay, 1 second. Okay, guys, in 3, 2, 1, I'll say 3, 2, 1, and I'm gonna show the car amazingly, okay? In 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, you saw all the angles. Now I'm going to show you continuously 360, okay? I'm going to show you 360 fully in just a one video, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay guys, you saw everything 360, but my leg got a little bit some scratches because of that rocks and all. Ah shit, my leg, it's paining. But it's okay, leave that. But oh, my neck, what on earth? My neck is really suffering. Okay, now I'm gonna show you all something. Okay, after another 1 hour, because here it is sunny, that's why after 1 hour I'll come and show you all the interior. I'll show you all the interior after 1 hour because it's sunny there. Bye bye. Hi guys. Okay, I said 1 hour and this is night. I forgot about that 1 hour and sorry guys, but I'm going to show you tomorrow tomorrow the interior and everything inside amazingly. Going to be what? I should not shout here. Sorry. Okay, just for fun, my mom said. Okay, right now guys, actually, tomorrow I'm gonna show you all the interior inside the car. Because you guys saw that means you are all are gonna can't believe, and I'm gonna do some rounds, and I'm gonna put some songs and everything, okay, everything, and it's gonna be amazing, excellent, and okay, guys, tomorrow be wait. I mean, just kidding. Okay, I'm gonna put the black screen, and the next day I'm gonna put that shit, and I'm gonna do a video tomorrow. Bye bye. Tomorrow, let's meet you all. Okay guys, we are here right now. I said you the next day and all. Now I'm eating some melting dairy milk chocolate with the hot water. I did that, melting. Okay, bye guys. I mean, just kidding. I mean, now when my dad came, I'm gonna on the video. Okay, when my dad came only, because he went outside. That's why I can't do anything. That's why when my dad came from something place, I'll meet you all. Bye bye. Okay guys, my dad came to home before I think 20 minutes. He's really so tired, sorry. But after at least like half an hour, I'll show you the interior of the car. Okay, after half an hour I'm going to show the interior. Bye. And when my dad wake up, I mean he's gonna wake up in half an hour. Okay, bye. Guys, actually, I said you all meet you all when my dad said you right now, na. Actually, now I'm going to show you a amazing thing. You guys are not gonna believe, but I made this video before. I think like 2 days before. I'm gonna show this. Okay, you all are gonna laugh at me. Okay, bye. I'll show you the clip is gonna come in 3, 2, 1, go. Monster! 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 Monster is coming back! Monster! Guys, okay, you saw that monster video. I mean, for fun, nothing monster is there, but for fun I did that for you all entertainment. That's why please be tuned for seeing this car interior. 3. Okay, after 30 minutes I'll pick up the camera in 3, 2, 1, go. Guys, okay, and I said you like this thing that's in the car. Actually, you all got pranked so many times. I didn't count, but I think first in that coughing, and next in that for that next day black color screen and white color thing for that thing, I did everything in single day. After that, 2 days after, I just left some. I mean, I didn't do nothing, and after 2 days, after that day, I did the something. Now you saw that, and actually after that, after 3 days, now I'm saying you all this is all prank. I mean the date, but car and everything is not prank. But the date, I pranked you all so many times, and April Fool and guys. Okay, right now I forgot something. That car is cost something, but in that video, that interior video, you guys will see. But today only I did that interior video. You all got pranked so many times, and April Fool. And right now I'm gonna show the interior because faster. I'm delaying it so many days for just doing a 16 minutes or just 20 minutes video, like half a month. It took a half a month, and I don't know what to do. It took a half a month, and I don't know how it took half a month. No way! I started this video at something April 2nd or 3rd, and it took half a month. No, it got finished. No way, dude! It took so many days. I mean, I took in one. After doing the next day thing, I left like 6 or 7 days. No, it took half a month. Finished. Are you freaking kidding me? Okay, no way. Okay, guys, actually, you all got pranked so many times. And bye, and let's see the interior today morning only I did that. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, let's. In 3, 2, 1, let's see the interior. Bye, bye. I'll see you in the interior car right now. Just kidding. Now I did the video at morning. What on earth? Dad! This is not Saudi, okay? Okay, bye. Let's meet in the interior thing. Already I made that video, that's why I can show you easily. I don't want to do it. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, I'm in the car. And, okay, sanitizer. Okay, I put some sanitizer. And right now, I'll show you. They gave us this thing. First aid kit. I don't know why, but they gave us. And down that, there's so much space. And up here also. It's down there and up here. And this is all the AC and auto off, auto on, and this light and on, and backside thing on, and everything open and on and off. And this is sound. Oh, okay, radio. That's radio. And here some the videos like going before and forward and past and everything. And here this thing is like all that petrol and light and how much speed, how many kilometers, that thing this is gonna say. And this thing is all that windshield cleaning thing, and we can put some water and something else and that and all. Here. What? Oh, steering. This is the steering and lights, all the lights here. And here is, we don't want to do here. Oh, no way. Okay, that's horn. We don't want to do it here, I think so. And here you can put the sound here also, because when driving we don't know how to, when we are alone means we kept the something song and we can't do, we'll crash or something, we can do it right here. And here is radio and video. Now let's put phone setup and paired device. Oh, okay, we can keep some Bluetooth song and all. Now I'll show you it here. This thing we can, this fully connected actually. Here this is all the magnet and stuff and all. There's a pin, and these things you can keep anything like sanitizer, any cool drink or something. And this thing, when we are going in city, I mean normal thing, we should put this. And we are going in like normal highways or something, or normally speedily, we should put this. And economic and city and sport. Sport means when we are going like speed, and when we are going in any highway, biggest highway, like any something highway, Vijayawada highway, any highway, you should put sport. And this is the gear, and this is amazing actually. Here it's puffy and all like that, it's amazing. And here lock system, like lock, and oh yes, we can keep umbrella here. I don't know how, but we can keep umbrella. Oh, okay, there's so much space. Okay, we can keep a umbrella at the top here, and we should keep it like that. And we have so much space here, and we can, what? Backside there is something, I mean there is this and all the thing that's already covered, because I don't know why we didn't take the plastic covers. Okay, and guys, actually this car cost 11,35,000. And guys, this interior is nice or not nice, just say me in the comment section. And bye and peace out. Bye. I mean, this full video is gonna off. Bye bye. Peace out. Bye.